Fermented vegetables are delightful in taste and packed with nutrients. Live bacteria in fermented food can balance the gut and help strengthen immunity. With the Kefirko Veggie Fermenter, you will be able to prepare all delicious and nourishing veggies at home, simply and the way it was done for centuries. This innovative fermenter is set out to provide you with the tools for traditional fermentation that you can easily master. Made of quality materials for easy handling and optimal fermentation conditions to support the good bacteria. When we prepare fermented vegetables, we need to follow some basic principles. Vegetables shouldn't come in contact with air because mold can form and they can spoil. With the help of glass weight, the vegetables stay submerged during the fermentation. By marking the date of the start of fermenting, you always know what phase your ferment is in. You can pump out the air with a convenient built-in pump on the lid. This reduces the amount of air and keeps it safe. The top lid has an active carbon filter that keeps the bad smells away. The lid is practically shaped to stack up all the ferments neatly. The one-way valve technology enables carbon dioxide to escape from the jar once the pressure builds up, but at the same time, no air gets in. With Kefirko Veggie Fermenter, you will get consistent results of your ferments. Use any recipe, prepare the ingredients, put the weight on the top, secure the lid, and forget about it. You can ferment mixed veggies, sauerkraut, kimchi, or any other vegetable in your kitchen. Be creative, experiment with flavors and ingredients to prepare delicious meals. Thank you for backing and successful fermenting.